AMP coin is gradually moving up the ladder in the crypto space, with many of its real-world use cases. Will AMP coin hit 10 cents this year? Watch till the end and find out. Welcome to another video from Crypto Center. Go ahead, give this video a thumbs up and show your support. Do subscribe to the channel and make sure to keep the post notifications on so that you don't miss out on the newest releases. Now, onto the video. Like most of the cryptos in the market, AMP token displayed a promising performance in the first quarter of 2021. It was up 1,700% from its previous year's value by the month of May. However, since reaching a record price of 12.19 cents, AMP got caught in a downtrend and was 70% lower by July. On the 20th of July, its prices again started to climb up. In the 6 days that followed, AMP displayed a stellar performance. It rose by 143% in 6 days. On the 26th of July, the price rose by another 10% and hit 9.29 cents. The rally was short-lived, and the trend reversed soon after that. The price of AMP as of 24th of September at the time this video was made is 4.64 cents. AMP is a profitable investment due to the nature of this token. AMP is a digital collateral token. It offers instant, verifiable assurances for all kinds of transactions. AMP is an Ethereum-based token. Using AMP, networks like Flexer can quickly secure transactions without reversing them for a wide variety of asset-related uses. Flexer is the company that created AMP in collaboration with Consensus. Flexer contributed 2 years of research and development to the token architecture and design, and developed and released the first AMP collateral manager contract as open source. AMP is the open source collateral token that Flexer developed. If a payment made using AMP takes too long or fails, AMP collateral can be liquidated to cover the costs. This is beneficial for the vendor and the customer alike. The vendor would still get paid despite a lagged or failed transaction. Also, it adds extra security for both buyers and sellers using cryptocurrency. AMP claims that this would allow its network to cover a large variety of transaction types. These transaction types include digital payments, fiat currency exchange, loan distributions, property sales, and more. There's a fixed supply of AMP tokens in order to reduce the risk of volatility. It has a maximum supply of 92 billion AMP and circulating supply of 42 billion AMP. Taking a look at today's charts, AMP token is trading close to the demand zone. This gives way to a safe assumption that AMP will bounce from here. The prices are currently below all the significant 50, 100 and 200-day moving averages. AMP bulls will try and push from this level. The situation will be bearish until a flip occurs. This flip can occur if the price manages to break the immediate moving average of 200. The 3.77 cents level is a critical support level for AMP prices. If the price breaks through this support, a crash in the AMP price will inevitably occur. Judging from its recent market performance, this crash is highly unlikely in the immediate future. Moving up, AMP will face resistance at the 5 cents price level. If the price slices through this level with volume, the next resistance will be offered at the 5.7 cents mark. The immediate next resistance lies at 6.3 cents. In the beginning of 2021, AMP was struggling due to the fact that it was difficult to be purchased.
Difficult, very difficult.
The asset has spent the last 3 months of 2020 dropping even further than its listing price, and the AMP price fell as low as 0.6 cents. Investors who wanted to buy AMP were unable to find it on any of the major exchanges out there. This resulted in significant credibility damage for the crypto. AMP was unable to crack the 1 cent mark until February. Even though it was not listed in any major exchanges, the token's value was already rising as February progressed. February ended with AMP crossing 5 cents for the first time. The first popular exchange to include AMP in its platform was Coinbase. AMP was listed on Coinbase on the 11th of June. By the afternoon of the day, AMP was up 22.9% over a 24-hour period. In 5 days after the crypto's listing on Coinbase, the value of AMP rose higher than 50%. On the 17th of June, another prominent exchange, Bitmart, included AMP on their digital assets platform. This again increased the trading of this crypto. If more investors understand the relevance of AMP and its unique features as a digital collateral token, this crypto has high chances of growing exponentially. You might have heard about Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor is the co-founder and CEO of MicroStrategy, a company that specializes in business intelligence, mobile services, and provides cloud-based services. Saylor is a pioneer in focusing a company's major corporate strategies on Bitcoin. He recently sold numerous stocks of the company and bought more assets in the form of Bitcoin for the company treasury. The crypto space has deemed him as a Bitcoin maximalist for a while now. However, in an interview with CNBC, he shocked the crypto space with his positive outlook towards all the other cryptos out there. He said different cryptocurrencies serve their own distinct purposes. He recognized that newcomers to the crypto space would indeed find it difficult to understand these differences. He highlighted that each crypto is unique and hence contributes to the digital economy in its own way. Let's take a look at some real-world use cases of AMP. Collateral for payment networks. Flexa uses AMP to enable instant fraud-free payments to merchants across its digital payments network. Apps that integrate Flexa stake AMP to ensure all payments can be settled in real time regardless of the asset or protocol used. Collateral for individuals. Users can use their own AMP assets as collateral for transfers. A user has the option to assign AMP to a collateral manager and transfer another asset without the need for high transaction fees. Collateral for DeFi platforms. Many new DeFi platforms and protocols are adding AMP to their products. This has helped expand the scope of the project. In turn, this increases the collateral quality. Now, let us move on to some price predictions for AMP. Wallet Investor predicts that the AMP price can go up from 4.66 cents to 11.8 cents in 2021. Based on Wallet Investor's predictions, a long-term increase can be expected. If you invest $100 today in this token, you can expect a profit of 764.59%. The website predicts that in 5 years, AMP prices can hit 40.29 cents. This means that a $100 investment will give you a return of $864.59 in 2026. Another notable prediction comes from uptobrain.com. In 2021, the price of this token will hit 10 cents. This is in alliance with Wallet Investor's predictions. In the year 2022, the token is forecasted to hit $1. This prediction is made on the assumption that with the multitudes of use cases offered by AMP, the crypto will witness a wider market adoption. A wider institutional interest in AMP will definitely push its prices upwards. A major challenge in blockchain tech is the complexity of fund transfers. AMP's network is designed to ease many of the difficulties that arise while dealing with assets on blockchain. If AMP's popularity increases among investors, the year 2023 will be promising. AMP is predicted to achieve a value of $2. The price target is expected to be achieved by mid-2023. The price of the token is expected to hit $2.50 in 2024. This will be made possible if the developers of AMP achieve all their targets for the year. The forecast for 2025 is a really optimistic one. The price of the token, according to the website, is expected to hit $4. This prediction is based on the assumption that there will be a rising demand for this token in the crypto world as market acceptance and institutional adoption increases. Do keep in mind that the prices of cryptocurrencies fluctuate frequently, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not act as an investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. The content in this video is for informational purposes only, and hence should be treated as such. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. And with that, we have come to the end of the video. Hope you found this video useful. What do you think about investing in AMP? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for staying with us till the end. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon to not miss any further info. Catch you in the next video.